We know that spaces can have a profound impact on health outcomes, influencing the overall well-being of everyone involved in the complex work of care. And what's emerging now is a stronger than ever realization that purposeful, human-centered design can have a very positive effect. Recently, Steelcase Health has partnered with West Elm to design new solutions that help organizations improve the healthcare experience and outcomes for everyone involved, from patients and their families to clinicians and staff. Today, we're going to dive deep into the design intention for these solutions. I'm joined by James Killinger, Senior Designer at West Elm Work and Office. Thanks so much for being here today, James.
Thank you for having me.
So, James, what does West Elm design bring to healthcare?
I'd say the same thing we're bringing to the commercial space. We're bringing an authentically warm residential perspective, right? We have a great offering.
Yeah, absolutely. Really tapped into those trends, those retail trends, and that warm and inspiring environments. All right, so James, I want to ask you, I understand you had a healthcare experience that really inspired your journey as a designer. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, so my fiance, she was diagnosed with a form of leukemia, and we went from spending, no time, in hospitals, me not really thinking about healthcare spaces very much, to spending a lot of time in healthcare spaces, like a lot of new, alien, weird environments. You spend a lot of time waiting, and then you get, you're waiting, you're in a waiting room, and then you wait for the chemo to be done, and then you kind of wait again to the next. So it's it's a series of really terrible living rooms that I just saw, as a person, that designs, nice, warm, friendly, cozy things for a living, it's there's a lot of, there's some room for opportunity.
There's some opportunity
here.
Yeah.
So people are generally not having a great day when they are spending a lot of time or any time in these spaces. So if we can just make that experience a little easier, a little warmer, a little friendlier, I think, me as a designer, I feel that makes me feel pretty good.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for sharing that story with us. And thank you for watching today.